Hey, welcome everyone. Today's the 1st of March 2023. We're going to talk about Quant Network today to try to figure out where's the buy, the hold, and the sell price that you want to come in and actually release this currency and make a profit. You guys can already see in front of us, we do have a price prediction in the market in Quant where we're anticipating some lower prices, and that is exactly what the market has done since we produced this price prediction, which was on the 24th of February. Now, you guys can tell over the last 2 days, though, we've seen price in Quant Network hold $124. That is resembling where buyers are currently entering the market, pretty close to our vicinity of $128 to where we have our support area into the market in Quant Network. So what do you think price is going to do? Should we come in and buy the market here in Quant, let the market ride up a little bit, maybe take us to this descending line and then sell? Buy down here around 124, hold the market until it runs to this descending line and then sell there. Is that a legitimate plan? Is that something that's optional that we should be able to do? Let's take a look at the market in Quant Network real quick on the monthly time frame, since we are starting out on a brand new month. You guys can see that generally this particular cryptocurrency is not in a definitive trend, meaning it's not going up and it's not going down. This is the only trend that we're currently getting into the market in Quant Network. Okay, so anyone who's trying to be a long-term holder into the market in Quant, you guys can actually tell from the long term this market is just consolidated within the trading range. Let me even show it to you a little bit better by creating this support area into the market in Quant Network. This is the support area, and the resistance area is up there around 160. Support is coming in around 90. Okay, so last month wasn't all that too euphoric. The bulls really didn't show up over the last month. The bears actually came in, the sellers, and pushed price down in Quant Network. You guys can see on the conclusion of the month. But I will tell you that the spread isn't massive. It's a very small spread compared to what occurred the previous month of January. So there's definitely still some hints that the buyers may still be present into the market in Quant Network. They just wanted to let the sellers come in and sell their positions around 160. Buyers definitely came in because the market did not come all the way back down to the previous monthly low of around 100. Let's look at this on the 5-weekly chart in Quant Network as well. You guys can see that we're starting out on a brand new 5-weekly price bar. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Now in the next 4 days and 13 hours left, we're already sitting in position to look for Quant to go down. But looking at this in the next 4 days, if we see Quant, this current 3-weekly price bar, close down here on the low, then that definitely tells us that we still have lower prices to go. Okay, so look at the market in the next 4 days to see if that 3-weekly price bar looks the same, because if it does, then definitely we're going to continue to see price in Quant go a lot lower than what we're really anticipating. Here it is on the 2-weekly chart. Okay, so this is the conclusion of the 2-weekly price bar. We're starting out on a new one now. So this current market definitely is showing us that the overall market is trending down. So our actual analysis that we produced on the 24th of February still stands. I'm still seeing weakness into the market in Quant. So this currently doesn't resemble a buyable market, especially as we see price continue to go down alongside that downtrend. Now, once we see price break this downtrend line to the upside, then that will be the moment to come in and actually probably nibble and buy the market and let the market run up and then sell. Easy, right? So let's look at this on the 5-day as well. Got 12 hours and 18 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. And again, like I said, we're seeing buyers come into the market in Quant Network. This is where they are actually coming in at. So I'm going to lower this support area down here into the market in Quant Network, because this is actually the place that the market has actually saw buyers right here at these highs of these 5-day price bars right around here. Okay, so it may actually, it really doesn't matter. You can put around 128, $124. Preferably we're going to leave it at 124, since we actually got confirmation of buyers stopping the move down on this current 5-day price bar. Now again, we got 12 hours though, so we can actually see market break that to the downside though. So look at this on the 3-day. Okay, so what we're currently seeing into the market in Quant Network is what I term a probable precursor string, which simply means that we need to see the market on the next 3 days close higher than its previous 3-day price bar. If that's the case, then as I mentioned in the video, we should be able to see the market in Quant Network run back up to this descending line and possibly even break it. And then that's where you'll want to come in and sell the market. But first, we got to see the next 3 days. Here it is on the 2-day chart as well. You guys can see, yes, that this is where buyers are actually attempting and approaching the market to buy up this currency at 124. So like I always say to all of my followers and subscribers, there's nothing wrong with coming in and taking profit into the market when you see that you're actually winning. Okay, you guys can tell that when we did our price prediction on the 24th, that we anticipated price going down. I'm not necessarily sure where my price targets are at. I definitely would recommend that you guys go and check out our prior video on the 24th of February to see those targets. But nevertheless, if you were to get out some of your position today, that's 4.69% already. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything. I still see weakness on the longer term basis, i.e. the weekly time frame. So I really want us to see more confirmation that buyers are entering the market in Quant Network, because if that's going to be the case, then we're going to see the market approach that descending line and actually try to break it to the upside. Okay, so in order to eliminate any confusion, let me get rid of that resistance area 160, and we're going to follow the market on these two lines right here. So I'm done. Not too long, real quick, real simple. I'm not changing my price prediction. I'm still looking for the market in Quant Network to continue to trend down, albeit there will be a couple of days that price will go up. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.